Hey guys, Civil Door here, back with a brand new video, and today we will go to Belmont Park and go on some rides. The roller coaster is the one I'm most looking forward to, as you can see on my camera. If you guys do enjoy today's vlog, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Enjoy the video. Guys, we are here. It's cool at the boardwalk right now. We're by the roller coaster. We're gonna go on it soon. Stay tuned. The drop was kind of made my stomach side, but it was still really good. Oh, I don't go. Oh, whoa! Guys, I don't think we're gonna use the head strap ever again because it kind of fell when we flipped. Whoa! Woo! Don't do it. Oh! Don't do a backflip. Don't do back. Don't flip. Hey, stop. Oh, that's not flipping. Oh! What? Why stop flipping? Oh, that's it. You can't flip anymore, huh? Uh-oh, look at them. Guys, we're here getting ice cream. Some of those rides are fun, and I'm hoping to do some more of them. But I might not be able to bring my GoPro on a few rides because maybe they can fall off and stuff. So maybe only some rides it will work. So yeah, guys, we're here. I'm just using my GoPro, as you can see. It's Belmont Park. You should go check this place out. It's by the beach. It's cool here. Should go check this place out. I like the rides. I'm scared to go 2 of them, but I like the drops because they're kind of fun. Guys, I'm eating this thanks to my dad getting it to me. Shout out. Let's try it. Good. Woo! Oh my gosh! Ah! Woo! 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 Oh my gosh. Woo! Oh! Is that a good reaction? That was a good one. Alright guys, we're going up to the zip line. We're going up a zip line. I'm kind of nervous, but not really. First time on it. First day I'm doing zip line. Hope it's fun. I think it'll be fun for sure. Does this work? They said it's okay.
Cool footage if you just jumped off. I'm kidding. Don't do that.
What do I do?
Jump off. Pull straps. Sit down.
Is it connected? Oh, it's not really shut. I think it'll show through that. Woo! Oh! Thank you.
Go. Now walk over this and go chain. Now you walk all the way back. There you go.
We're here in the Belmont. We rode that. And mom's recording me also. It's on the carousel and it's pretty cool. Guys, so that is gonna wrap up today's video. And if you guys did enjoy this amusement park and all the rides I went to, and don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Guys, I know we couldn't be able to go to all rides because there's a lot. We went to most of them, so, and I had fun.